Hey there, science fans, it's your old pal, Creator Name, and today we're talking about the most incredible machine you'll ever own, your body. Now, we all know the basics. Heart pumps blood, lungs take in air, but did you know your body is also a walking, talking cabinet of curiosities? I'm talking about the kind of stuff that makes you go, get out of here! So buckle up, because we're about to explore 10 bizarre facts about the human body that are sure to blow your mind. All right, everybody take a look in the mirror. Go on, I'll wait. Now, look closely at the corner of your eye. See that little pink nubbin? That, my friends, is called the plica semilunaris, and it's a remnant of what used to be a third eyelid. That's right, way back when our ancestors had a membrane that could blink sideways like a lizard or a bird. Now, you might be thinking, what good is a third eyelid if it doesn't even work? Well, it still helps protect our eyes from debris and moistens them up. It's like a built-in windshield wiper. Pretty neat, huh? Ever wonder how you can go from feeling like you could eat a whole pizza to barely being able to button your pants after a big meal? Well, it's all thanks to the amazing expanding powers of your stomach. This stretchy sack can hold up to 1.5 liters of food and liquid. That's like trying to cram a whole 2-liter bottle of soda in there. But here's the thing. Your stomach doesn't actually digest all that food at once. It slowly releases it into your small intestine, where the real nutrient breakdown begins. So next time you're feeling stuffed, just remember, your stomach is a champ at holding it all together. Get ready for this one because it's a bit creepy. Every minute your body sheds between 30,000 and 40,000 skin cells. You heard me right. It's like a constant snow globe of dead skin raining down around you. In fact, most of the dust in your house is probably made up of, you guessed it, your old skin. But hey, don't freak out. This is totally normal. It's just your body's way of getting rid of old damaged cells and making room for new ones. So, next time you dust your furniture, just think of it as saying goodbye to your former self. Chapter 4. Goosebumps, why we get them, and what they say about our past. Ever wonder why you get goosebumps when you're cold or scared? It all goes back to our hairier ancestors. See, when they got cold, the tiny muscles around their hair follicles would contract, making their fur stand on end. This extra layer of insulation helped keep them warm, and when they were faced with danger, the raised fur made them look bigger and more intimidating to predators. We may have lost most of our fur, but we kept the goosebumps. It's like a little evolutionary souvenir from our wilder days. Chapter 5. Tongue print. You're more unique than you think. We all know about fingerprints, but did you know your tongue has a unique print too? That's right. The pattern of bumps and ridges on your tongue is one of a kind, just like you. Scientists believe these patterns are formed in the womb and remain unchanged throughout our lives. Now, you might be wondering, what's the point of a tongue print? Well, researchers are still exploring its potential uses in identification and security. Who knows, maybe someday we'll be unlocking our phones with a quick tongue scan. Chapter 6. Bone count. From baby to adult, our skeletons change. When we're born, we're basically little bundles of cartilage, a strong but flexible tissue. Over time, this cartilage hardens and fuses into bone. But here's the kicker. We actually start with more bones than we end up with. Babies are born with around 270 bones, but as we grow, some of these bones fuse together. By the time we reach adulthood, we're down to 206 bones. It's like our bodies are playing a game of skeletal Tetris. This fusion process helps make our skeletons stronger and more stable as we get older. Chapter 7. Nose memory. Your sniffer is more powerful than you realize. Our sense of smell is pretty amazing. It can transport us back to a specific moment in time, evoke strong emotions, and even warn us of danger. But did you know, your nose can remember a whopping 50,000 different scents? That's like having a superpowered smell database stored right in your head. Scientists believe this incredible olfactory memory is linked to the part of our brain that processes emotions and memories. So the next time you catch a whiff of something familiar, take a moment to appreciate the incredible power of your nose. Ever notice how your heart seems to race when you listen to upbeat music or slows down when you're relaxed? That's because your heartbeat can actually synchronize with the rhythm of the sounds around you. It's like your body is trying to get in sync with the world around it. Scientists call this phenomenon entrainment, and it's not just limited to music. Your heartbeat can also sync up with other rhythmic stimuli like flashing lights or even the breathing patterns of people around you. It's like your body is a giant tuning fork, constantly vibrating in harmony with its surroundings. Our brains are incredible organs. They control everything we do, from breathing and blinking to thinking and feeling. But did you know your brain only uses about as much power as a 10-watt light bulb? That's right, this supercomputer running your entire life uses less energy than a dim light. Now you might be thinking, how can something so powerful use so little energy? Well, it's all thanks to the brain's incredible efficiency. It's constantly optimizing its activity, shutting down unnecessary circuits, and rerouting energy where it's needed most. It's like the ultimate energy-saving appliance. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about saliva. It might not be the most glamorous bodily fluid, but it plays a vital role in keeping us healthy. Saliva helps us break down food, protects our teeth from decay, and even helps us taste our food. But here's the kicker. You produce a surprising amount of it. On average, a person produces between 1 and 2 liters of saliva every single day. That's enough to fill a couple of water bottles. So the next time you swallow, take a moment to appreciate the hard work your salivary glands are doing to keep you healthy and hydrated. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 bizarre facts about the human body that prove we're all walking, talking miracles of science. And believe me, we've only just scratched the surface. The human body is a vast and mysterious universe full of wonders waiting to be discovered. So keep those peepers peeled and that curiosity cranked up to 11, because there's always something new and amazing to learn about the incredible machine we call home. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more mind-blowing facts about the world around us. Until next time, stay curious.